Assalamu alaikum. This is the introduction of my channel. In this channel, you will got different new programming languages like Python, Flutter, Dot, PHP, MySQL, the different frameworks. I am ABID BHUTTA and I did MCP and I am also MPhil in computer sciences. So you will got a best knowledge of the town in this channel. So please subscribe my channel and share my videos or watch every video. I will put a new video every day, and I will bring a new technology on the daily basis. So you must subscribe my channel to get the new tech about computer sciences, top 5 programming languages, new VU assignment solutions. What are the new tool that will help you in your education? What is the new OS? And if I got some phone for unboxing, so I will present a different tech news, tech about computer sciences, different technologies that will help you in your growth. So this channel will help you to learn something new and teach them to some others. You can check my about us, and here we will got some information about my career, and then you will also got different social media links where you can get you can connect with me on Facebook, Twitter, Insta. So this video is all about this channel.